Hey guys, it's Jeff from Filmora. Welcome to my kitchen.
Have you ever wondered how they make those awesome, tasty style food videos? In this series, we are going to show you a few techniques to make those very delicious looking videos.
Now, we're going to cover three things in the next few episodes. One, we're going to talk about time-lapse. The next thing we're going to talk about is slow motion. And then lastly, we're going to touch on creative focusing and using your subject and your camera to focus and transition. Don't forget to stay tuned because this is going to be awesome. What did Sushi A say to Sushi B? Wasabi! So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be chopping up some sushi for you. In this episode, we're going to be talking about slow motion.